My passion for dinosaurs really started off in museums. My parents would take me to the Royal Ontario Museum and the Science Centre like pretty much every weekend. And there's this really nice quote that I learned from my paleontology supervisor. They said that dinosaurs are really the gateway into science for young children.
They came from a number of different websites. These skulls mostly came from African origins, but we also have some from Morphosaurus. All of these were printed in Ian's lab. These were the ones that were printed at our school here. And so it makes it a very flexible mode of education. So having these materials completely transforms education. And that's partially because of our own evolutionary history of really being visual creatures and also engaging our touch. When we see these skulls, when we pick them up, we can learn from them. And instead of just having something that's a 2D model, we're actually exploring this with our hands, we're exploring this with our eyes. And that means that not only do we learn better, but we also engage agency and curiosity and inquiry into our education.
You can't help but imagine what this animal would look like in real life, or what the rest of the skeleton would look like. You know, it's this element of the unknown that's really special about dinosaurs. We wanted to show the story of evolution with the class, and I thought there was pretty much no better example than the evolution of whales. They have one of the best fossil records, and so we know a lot of the steps in their evolution. Their nostrils migrate above their heads to become blowholes, and that's evident in the fossils, but also we also see a divergence too. And so this also demonstrates adaptive radiation as well. So that's pretty special.
As well as the increase, and you can see here with this increase of our prefrontal lobes, where this is what makes us human. This is what brings our curiosity. This is what brings our inquiry. And really what we're seeing here is evolution in action, because we have developed this. We have created these teaching opportunities. And that is what makes us human.